If your CRUA monitor isn't giving you any sound, don't worry. This is a common confusion because most of these monitors don't actually have built-in speakers, even though they may have a headphone or audio jack. Seeing a port can make it look like your monitor should play sound on its own, but that's not the case. Start by checking the back of your monitor. If you don't see any speaker grills or volume buttons, it most likely doesn't have internal speakers. The headphone jack you see is usually just an audio output designed to send sound to external devices like powered speakers or headphones, not to play sound itself. To get audio, connect a pair of powered speakers or a quality headset using a 3.5mm AUX cable. Once they're plugged in, go to your computer's sound settings. Right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar, select Sound Settings, and make sure the correct output device is selected. If your monitor is connected via HDMI or DisplayPort, ensure your system is sending audio through that cable. Keep in mind that not all HDMI or DisplayPort cables support audio. Older or cheaper cables might only transmit video. Remember, the audio jack on your CRUA monitor is simply a pass-through. You'll need an external device to hear sound, and once everything is properly connected and selected in your settings, you'll finally get clear audio for games, videos, and music. Knowing this prevents confusion and ensures your setup works exactly as it should.